Senate votes to ban DEI and immigration bill advances. Indiana lawmakers are pushing bills to limit voting rights and access for residents. One bill proposes to shorten the early voting period, restricting options for Hoosiers. Another measure would close primaries, allowing only registered party members to vote. These legislative changes could significantly impact voter participation in Indiana. Stay informed about how these bills affect your voting rights and democracy. Stay updated on the latest legislative changes in your state.